This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carmem Getz. All cleaned and freshly painted. 2 halves unfurnished, beautiful and bright open floor plan, ground floor corner unit with screened-in patio for annual rent. Tile floors throughout, resort-style amenities including pool very close to unit. New master bathroom. Full-size washer and dryer in the unit. 1 mile to the beach. Easy access to 95. All ages welcome. Excellent schools. No pets allowed by the HOA. First, last and security required. For more information, review the details below.